Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best short throw projectors, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best short throw projector options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover which short throw projectors is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. BenQ X500i. Looking for the best short throw projector? Look no further than the BenQ X500i. It uses its 4K pixel shifting technology to project a sharp 60-inch image at a distance of about 3 feet and up to 120 inches at a distance of 6 to 7.2 feet. It's certainly no slouch when it comes to image quality, as its contrast is great, and it particularly excels in darker scenes, although it's still quite decent in brighter scenes. It also has a wide color gamut, leading to a vibrant image, although it's not quite bright enough to really make those colors truly pop. Finally, the projector is exceedingly accurate, so much so that even purists won't need to calibrate it. This projector is packed with features. It comes with BenQ's Android TV 11QS02 streaming dongle, which is fully cast capable through Google Chromecast and Apple AirPlay. The dongle has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, HDR10 Plus capability, and natively supports Netflix. The projector has 2 HDMI ports, with another one hidden behind the top cover, each capable of up to 4K at 60 Hz and 1080p at 240 Hz gaming, with the second HDMI port also doubling as an EARC port. It also has a USB-C port with DP Alt mode, so you can use it to directly project content from a connected compatible device. Overall, this is easily the best value short throw projector you can buy. Number 2. Hisense PX3-PRO. What if you want to place your projector extra close to the screen? Or what if you have a smaller room and don't have space for a regular long throw projector? Then you'll need an ultra short throw projector like the Hisense PX3-PRO. It can project a 90-inch image from just 6.6 inches away and up to a 130-inch image at 14.3 inches. If you're looking for a great option for a home theater setup, the PX3-PRO is a solid choice too, thanks to its great contrast, which is more than enough for an immersive viewing experience in darker rooms. While its out-of-the-box color accuracy is just acceptable, it's good enough for most people, and purists can calibrate it for near-perfect results. What really makes it stand out, though, is its colors. It has the widest color gamut of any projector we've tested, so HDR content looks incredibly vibrant and lifelike. The built-in Google TV Smart OS is another bonus, meaning you won't need a streaming stick to access your favorite apps. Gamers will love the 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, making it a great choice for high-performance gaming. It also features a decent 50-watt speaker system, but includes an extra HDMI 2.0 port with EARC if you want to connect a soundbar. Plus, it has Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and casting support with Chromecast and AirPlay 2. With its stunning color performance, gaming-friendly features, and solid smart OS, the PX3-PRO is the best ultra-short throw projector you can get. Number 3. Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS 800. Want a bright room projector? The Hisense PX3-PRO is bright enough for a room with a few lights, but if you're after the brightest unit possible, consider the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS 800 instead. It's one of the brightest projectors we've tested, so you don't need to worry about turning off the lights when using it. It also performs well in pitch-black rooms thanks to its decent contrast. Like the Hisense, it projects a sharp image using 4K pixel shifting technology. Its color gamut and accuracy are both satisfactory, so while this projector has no major weaknesses in terms of image quality, outside of its brightness, it doesn't have any standout strengths either. One possible exception is its projection distance. It can project an 80-inch image from only 0.9 inches away, or a 150-inch image from 9.9 inches, making it even more versatile than the Hisense when it comes to placement. It's also packed with features, including built-in Android TV with full Chromecast integration. It even has a decent 2.1 speaker system from Yamaha, although we recommend a home theater speaker system for maximum impact. It has 3 HDMI ports, including an ARC port. All HDMI ports can accept a 4K at 60 Hz signal, but the third one also supports a 1080p at 120 Hz signal. The projector also features Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 5. Overall, if you need a projector for a brighter room, the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS 800 is a better choice than the Hisense PX3-PRO. Number 4, Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS 300. If you like the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS 800 but find it too expensive, consider its step-down model, the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS 300. They're very similar products overall, but the LS 300 projects a 1080p image instead of the pixel-shifted 4K of the LS 800. This means it doesn't look quite as sharp, but it's otherwise very similar. Extremely bright, with all right contrast and a decent color gamut. One thing it does have over its more expensive sibling is a much more accurate image out of the box, making it a great option if you don't want to worry about calibrating your new projector. Finally, it's also an ultra-short throw projector, projecting a 60-inch image from a distance of only 1 inch up to a 120-inch image from a distance of 15.2 inches. It also doesn't skimp on features, as it comes with a fully functioning Android TV OS with full Chromecast integration. It has 2 HDMI ports, both capable of 1080p at 60 Hz, with one doubling as an ARC port. It also has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a USB data port for playing videos directly from a USB key, and an optical out port. Ultimately, while it's not quite as well-rounded as the BenQ X500i, it's way brighter, making it a better fit for brighter rooms. It offers a lot of what makes the LS800 great, but at a cheaper price. Number 5. BenQ TK700STi. The BenQ TK700STi offers 4K resolution, support for HDR10 and HLG HDR, as well as full HD 3D, and suitably short input lag measures. We recorded it at roughly 16.8 milliseconds for both 4K and 1080p at 60 Hz, and 8.5 milliseconds for 1080p/120 Hz, plus it's rated at 4.16 milliseconds at 240 Hz. It also provides menu choices for first-person shooter, role-playing game, and sports game modes, which let you adjust the image, audio, and latency for each type of game simply by picking the appropriate mode. And when you're not gaming, you can use it for home entertainment, thanks in part to the included Android TV dongle, which is integrated with the projector, so it doesn't need a second remote. The TK700STi offers enough capability for both gaming and home entertainment to make it a strong contender for those who are interested in either use case. Its lack of support for 1440p will be an issue for gamers who want that feature, while its throw ratio range, from the high end of short throw to the low end of standard throw, will rule it out for anyone who wants as short a throw as possible. But if neither of those issues is a deal killer, and particularly if you can benefit from having a high enough brightness for a bigger image in a room with lots of ambient light, it can easily be your preferred choice. Number 6. Optoma UHZ35ST. There's actually no single use the proficient, versatile Optoma UHZ35ST is best for. So while you can limit this native 4K model to a single purpose, it earns our recommendation for being a crossover model you can move from one type of use to another. Optoma markets it primarily as a home entertainment and gaming projector, but also lists it on its website in both business and education categories with good reason. The 3,500 lumen laser phosphor light source that makes it bright enough for gaming or viewing movies in a family room with ambient light also makes it bright enough for presentations in an office or classroom. And the combination of compact size and 6.6-pound weight makes it easy to carry back and forth between home and office. The UHZ35ST will be of particular interest to anyone who needs a projector primarily for one of the uses it handles well, but also wants to use it occasionally for another. One scenario would be needing a projector to use mostly at home, but also to take occasionally to your office or school for a presentation. Another would be needing one primarily for presentations at your office, but also planning to bring it home for special occasions like watching a big game or hosting a movie night.